Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about types of inheritance in C++ programming. There are 5 types of inheritance available in C++, and they are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. So first we're going to talk about the single inheritance. It is the simplest form of inheritance and it involves one derived class inherited from only one base class. Like in example here, the child class B is inheriting the property from the parent class A through the use of inheritance. Because this type of inheritance involves only one parent class and one child class, that's why it is called the single inheritance. Like here we have one class A which has its own class members, and then we have created one class B public A, and this way we are inheriting the property of the parent class in the child class B. And because there is only one parent class and only one child class involved in the inheritance process, that's why this is one example of the single inheritance. So like in this example program, we have one class A which has its member functions print, which prints the string base class. Now we're gonna create one child class B. So we're gonna write class B and then public A, and this way we are inheriting the property of the parent class A into the child class B through the use of inheritance. And now inside the main method we can create object of the class B, and we can use that object and we can call the print function of the parent class. So I'm gonna save and run the program, and you can see the output base class has been printed. So this is the way we can use the single inheritance, and we can inherit the property of the parent class A into the child class B, and then we can use the object of the child class and we can access the property of the parent class. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.